Hey y'all, it's Kai here, and today we're gonna talk about our sponsor. Today's sponsor is Scratch and Peck Feeds. We have not tried this product yet, so we're reviewing this with y'all. Y'all get to see the girls' first impressions. All right, we about to go ahead and open that box on up. Let's see. I will say, I do like the packaging. I like how it has all the information on it, on the ingredients, which of course, I wanna say they're larva fly, black larva fly, but we're gonna have to get into some more details on this because I am not familiar with this brand, so y'all get to get my honest and truthful opinion. Listen here, let's just go and turn this over so y'all can see this. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they starting to come out, y'all. I thought they were in a bag. You would think they alive. But look at the little instructions and everything. And then they even tell you how to follow them and all of that so you can get more information on the product. And y'all, they even have all the protein information and the facts to tell you how much protein they get, the fats and all that great information. So we're gonna get into this barley, y'all. We got Scratch and Peck Feeds, organic sprouts barley, where you can grow your own barley for your chickens. Y'all, I'm excited. I've never done this before, but when they sent this over and I told Roman about it, I was like, oh my gosh, we gonna film this because I wanna see how long it takes for them to germinate and how long it takes to get to the girls. So y'all get to come along on that process. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to head into the chicken coop. Meet me there. All right, y'all, so we about to give the girls Scratch and Peck Feeds. This is their first time getting the Clucking good grubs. And they sent this box over to us, and let's see how they like the black soldier fly grubs, or AKA larva. So, look, they all like, yes. Okay. So y'all, as you can see, the girls like the Clucking good grubs, and I guess we're gonna give these a 10. So y'all go ahead and order your box of Clucking good grubs. Make sure you click the link. I'll make sure I put it on my link tree. And they also gave us a code to use so you can get that discount who don't like a discount. So I'll see you guys next time on the next review. Later, y'all. Chicken lady out.